friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our first question, our next exercise. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital on a particular day. Age, they are given that in years, and number of patients they are given. So find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare interpretation, the two measures of central tendency. So by which method we're going to step deviation method we're going to use. So what is the mean? So what is the mean formula here is mean will be equal to, that is x bar will be equal to assumed mean plus summation of f phi ui by summation of f phi into h. So what is this here is ui is nothing but xi minus a by h. So a is assumed mean, h is the class length. So length of the class, you can say like that. Then xi is nothing but the middle values, that is lower limit plus upper limit of the specific, lower limit plus upper limit of the same interval, that is same class interval, that is the middle values. Assumed mean we are going to calculate. So this is the formula of mean. Then what is the formula of mode? So mode formula is that will be equal to L plus small l plus f1 minus f0 by 2, you can take it as 2f1. So whatever f1 f0 taken, right? So for f1 add 2 here, then f1 f0 minus f2. So f2, that is the formula, into h. H is the common everywhere. If you observe your mean and mode also, this is the formula. So what is L is here is lower limit of the model class. So if you observe here, what is the model? So what value it is a greater? So for this 23 is a greater. So for this model class is 35, 45 interval. So this is the interval, that is the model class. So we can take interval of 35, 45. So 35, 45, for that mode value is 23. Highest frequency, how many times it's got repeated. So highest frequency is nothing but model class. So for that, what you can say here, h we need to calculate. H is nothing but class length. The difference between h is equals to the difference between two successive, this value lower limits or two successive upper limits. So difference between 15 minus 5, what we will get? 10. So this is the class length, h will be 10. So like this we have to find it. Let's move on to the substitution of these values while going that. So 35, 45 is the model class. So model class will be model class 35, 45 and frequency is nothing but 23 for this. So frequency of model class is nothing but f1. So that is the value. So f1 we are going to explain clearly later. First we are going to calculate mean of this. So here ages, they are given that number of patients, that is what you can write 515. The difference is 515, not difference, these are the class intervals. There are exclusive class intervals which will be added to 10, 10 to 8. So 25 to 35, then 35 to 45, then 45 to 55, then 55 to 65. So number of patients, how many are there? For this 6, again 15 to 12, 15 to 25 is 11, then 21. These are the frequencies. Let's take this is frequency values, 21 and 23, then 40 and 5. So what is that here is, let's going to find out. So this is the value, summation of, you can take it as, this is class mark will be xi, then ui is nothing but xi minus a by h, then fi ui. So these are the values. Let's find out this one. So let's take it, this one is the model one, so highest one. So 23 is the highest and this is the model class interval and this is the value of frequency. This value is nothing but f1. So whatever it is there, they are given that one we have to take it as f1. So this is class mid values of class intervals is nothing but 5 plus 15 by 2. So that is 20 by 2, we will get 10. So these are the values. So 15 plus 25 by 2. Then what is this? 15 plus 25 is nothing but 40 by 2. Then what value will get? 20. So like this we need to get 25 plus 35. It's approximately. So it is 60 by 2. What value? 30. 35, 45, 80. 80 by 2 will get 40. Then 45, 55, 100 by 2 we will get 50. Then 110. So 120, 55 plus 60 by 120 by 2 we will get 60. So these are the values which we need to calculate it. So let's going to take ui value as ui xi values are 10. So 10 minus, let's going to take assumed mean as 30. So you can take 10, 20, any value as assumed mean. But let's take the middle one will be assumed mean a 30 by h. Already we have calculated the difference between two successive, that is h 15 minus 5 or 25 35. So what is this? 10 10 is the difference. So h will be equal to 10. So 10, then what value we will get? Minus 20 by 10. What is the answer? Minus 2. So like this we need to find it. Xi value is 20. For this 30 by 10. Then what is minus 10 by 10? What value? Minus 1. Then 30 minus 30 by 10. So what is the answer? 0 by 10, that is 0. So for this 40 minus 30 by 10, we will get 10 by 10. If you observe one value here, so it is increasing from integers order, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Next value you can expect, that is 2. So 50 minus 30 by 10, 20 by 10, we will get as 2. Then 60 minus 30 by 10, we will get 30 by 10, we will get as 3. So let's move on this next one. So what? So you have 5 ui. So ui values we have calculated, that is minus 2 into 6. The difference is minus. So what is this? Multiplication. Minus 1 into frequency value is 11, minus 11. Then 0 into 21, 0. Then 1 into 23, what value? 23. Then 2 into 14, 28. Then 3 into 5, what was 15. So what is summation of f5 ui? So this is summation of f5. So what is the value of all these, addition of all these values? 6 plus 11, what are answer? 17. 17 plus 21, we will get 38. 38 plus 23, we will get 61 plus 14. What is that? 75. 75 plus 5 will be 80. So this is the 80 values. Then what is this? Minus 12 minus 11. So minus 12 minus 11, what is that? We will get, so summation of f5 ui. So minus 12 minus 11, we will add it to 23 plus 28 plus 23 plus 15. So what is that? 66. So that one we will get it answer as 43. So this is 43. So these are the values 43. Let's move on to the next one. Add it. So 43, 80. Let's find out what will mean plus summation of f5 ui by summation of f5 into h. So assumed mean we took it as 30 plus summation of f5 ui is nothing but 43. Then summation of f5 is nothing but 80 into h is 10, as we know. 10 ones are 10 eights are. That is 30 plus 43 by 8. So if you cancel this one, take LCM. 30 into 8 plus 43 by 8. So 30 into 8, that is 240 plus 43 by 8. So what answer we will get? 283 by 8. So 283 by 8, we will get 35.375. So this is the average, 35.375. So this is what you can say, this is the average number of people which we need to, so number of patients admitted in the hospital. So what you can say, therefore average age of patients, average age of patients admitted admitted in the hospital is admitted in the hospital. So what you can say here is 35.375 years. So this is the mean. Let's move on to this. So as we know, let's going to calculate mode. How to calculate mode? The mode will be taken as, so what is the modal class? We know that interval is 35 to 45. So this is lower limit and this is upper limit. So based on this, lower boundary of the modal class L, small l is nothing but 35. You can take like that. So what is the class size? We are already calculated 10. Then frequency of the modal class, that is, we can take F1. Frequency of the modal class, as we know, where we already know that 23. Then frequency of class preceding the modal class. So frequency of class preceding the modal class, what is that? So here this is the modal class 35 and 45. So let's take this is 35 and 45 is the modal class preceding class frequency. So that is 21. So after that, this is preceding class, for that 21. So what you can say here is, that is F naught. So F0 you can take, so we can take it as F naught or F0, you can say, for that it is 21. The frequency of the class successive model class. So after that, which one is there? 14 is there. So for this is the 14 is there. For this 14 successive means after this 14 is there. So that one is nothing but what you can say F2. So that is 14. So these are the values. Let's find out what is the formula of modal class. So mode will be equal to, what is that? Mode will be equal to L plus F1 minus F0. 1 is there means after naught. Then 2 F1, for this add only 2. Then F0 minus F2 into H. So first going to calculate what is the value of F1 minus F0. So F1 minus F0 will be, F1 is 23, then F0 will be 21. What is the difference? That is the 2. Then 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. So 2 into 23 minus 21 minus F2 is what? 14. So 2 into 23, what is that here is 46. 46 minus 21, that is 35. So 46 minus 35, what answer we will get? 11. So that is 11 we are getting. So let's going to substitute here. So what is the L here is lower boundary, smaller, as already we are calculated. So mode will be equal to 35 plus F1 minus F0 is nothing but 2. Then 2 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2, that is 11 into H is nothing but 10. So let's going to calculate, take LCM of this. So 35 into 11 plus 2 tens are 20 by 11. So 35 into 11, that will be equal to 385 plus 20 by 11. So 385 plus 20, what is that? Answer here is 405 by 11. So 405 by 11, what answer we will get? So we will get 36.818 years. So this is the modal class. So finally what you can say here is mean will be equal to mean 35.375. Then mode will be, what is that? The mode is 36.818. So 36.818 we will get 36 point, what you can say, approximately 82. So this is the mode. Let's find out, let's write the interpretation. So what you can say here is interpretation is nothing but, therefore you can write conclusion type things. So mode is this one. The average, the mean average, or the average age of patients which they are admitted patients will be equal to 35.375 years. Again, next one, what is the other interpretation? Most patients, the age of most patients admitted. the age of most patients who are admitted, that will be equal to 36.82 years. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon